Halo, 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 halo.
Halo Hayden, hi.
Ya, halo, so.
Good evening. How are you, Hayden?
Good.
Good ya. Okay. Wait a minute ya, Hayden. Hmm. Nah, okay. So, you are good ya today ya.
Yes.
Have you finished your dinner already?
What?
Have you had your dinner already?
Oh, already.
Okay, okay then. So, wait a minute. How about holiday? Yeah, I think your school on holiday last week. And where did you go? Was
Yeah,
it fun or
yeah,
maybe?
it's very fun.
Yeah. It was very fun because where did you go?
I go to Sibulga,
Hmm?
and I can play waters there, uh, like pantai and sungai.
Okay, okay. So wait, I'm kind of forget. Where do you live right now? Which city in Indonesia do you live right now?
Medan.
Oh, Medan. Okay, so it's near Medan. It's is it still in Sumatra Island or it's
Yes.
already outside of the Sumatra?
Yeah. I think it's inside of Sumatra Island.
Okay, okay then. Okay, then we'll start our lesson then, yeah. So wait a minute, yeah. Nah, this is Okay, now, okay. Hayden, do you still remember what methods that you learned on the previous week?
No.
Oh, okay. Now today, actually on the previous lessons, you already learned how to create Rubier apps, ya, Rubier tasks. And today you'll create your own apps, ya, which is about uh, apa, calculating the shape, yeah, calculating the shapes, how about their width and also their height, yeah, and we'll call it as a prototype to the MVP, yeah, and then later on you will learn how to create these apps to be one of the APK, yeah, APK, so it can be installed in your mobile phone, yeah. Okay, I will share my screen to you. Wait a minute. Hey, sorry, wrong share screen. Here it is. Now, from the prototype to an MVP. Yeah. So how can we do that? Yeah. You can use one of the Visual Studio Code, yeah, Visual Studio Code applications, and you will learn how to create your first Trello. Yeah. Have you ever used Trello before?
This what?
Trello.
Trailer.
Trello. It's Trello, ya. Trello. Nah, so yes, this one.
I think no. I don't know too.
Okay. So we will use this later. Yeah. So Trello is one of the app that is used for planning the whole project of applications. So, yeah. So in these applications, in this Trello, you can use a Kanban board. You can know, yeah, which one the task that to do, doing, and also that. Yeah. So without any further ado, we'll start our lesson then, yeah. You can share your screen, yeah, Hayden, yeah. Do you have any questions?
Uh, no.
No questions, yeah. Okay, so if you don't have any question, please share your screen. Open your browser first, yeah. Open your browser first, and then ask several questions. Yeah,
Oh,
ask several questions.
open
Answer
what?
several
Just now, open
questions.
what?
Open your browser. Open your browser.
What?
Log into
Bros?
your Algorithmics account. Google Chrome, Google Chrome.
Oh,
Can you share your screen?
Wait.
Nah, okay. And then open number 5 first ya. Prepare task planning. Mm-mm. Nah, klik next button. Oke, klik this one ya. Nah, so in Kanban, in Trello ya, you need to sign up. So you can input your email. I think you can use, is it? Yeah.
Udah, Bang.
Yeah, you need to input your email ya. Nah, okay, create a new account.
Wait, where's my email? Wait, I check in my phone first. Oh yeah. Saan ko tuloy? Hindi sa email. Direct.
Nah, okay. Yes. Or you can click Google tuh. You can apa klik Google account.
Agak.
And then organize ideas and work or skip ya. Uh, and then continue again. Ya, klik continue ya. Add card. Nah, for example, create first screen of applications ya. You can type it down.
What? Create?
Create create first screen of applications
What? First
of the create first screen of the
screen.
applications. Nah, oke. Add card. Nah, oke. Sip. And then you can click continue again ya. Click continue again. Nah, oke. So this is in inbox. You just can continue ya. Nah, oke. So this one ya. You have three cards ya. Today, this week, later. Ya, so today what you will do what you will do ya directly, and then for this week we will plan it using this card, and for the later on it's not to prioritize, but you still remember about this, yeah, because there's some deadline in there. Yeah, so you can click plus in here. Klik plus. Mm-mm.
Nggak
Can you
bisa.
click plus? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you just can click continue then ya. Yeah, then click continue first. Can you click continue?
Udah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, drop it. Yes, and then continue. Nah, check it off. You can click the circle. Yes. From email to inbox. Yeah, just click next ya. Ya, oke. Nah, you can use add card ya. Add card in here.
Hah?
Nah, this one. Yes. Nah, oke.
Ini ya.
Hayden, can you hear my voice?
Sir,
Oke.
sir, sir.
Halo, halo. Tes, tes.
Mah,
Halo?
dia mau es krim yang cheese ya? Halo, halo.
Ya, oke. So sorry ya, the internet connection is unstable.
Yes, okay.
So you can click the add card ya, Hayden. Klik add card.
And no, this.
Hmm. Nah, oke. For example, today you will learn how to calculate ya. Uh,
Calculate
shape calculator ya, shape calculator.
shape
Shape calculator. Shape calculator.
dan already.
Shape calculator and then add card again. Uh, using Visual Studio Code ya.
Hah? What?
Using Visual Studio Code and Python. Type in there using Visual Studio Code and Python.
Using visual
Visual Studio Code.
and Python.
Ya.
Hmm. Dah.
Okay, and then you can add a new card ya in later. In later in here.
And what?
Hmm. Generating mobile applications.
Rating like this. Rating
Mobile applications.
Baru?
Okay, sip. Edgar, Hayden. Okay, sip. You can open your Visual Studio Code. Yeah. So today you will learn how to use Shape Calculator. Yeah. So this is the planning. Yeah. Open your Visual Studio Code. Minimize this. Mhm. The Algo VS Code. Yeah. The purple one. Mhm. Is it the purple one? Oke, login ya. Login. Open number 6 ya. Open number 6. Okay, you can just submit this one. Oh,
Apa?
before that you need to run without debugging first ya. It tells you about the code, which is the timer ya. Yes, run without debugging.
Without.
Ya, without.
Gak bisa.
Nah, open launch.
Oh,
Yes, and then write in apa right click in there. Yes, and then run without debugging again ya. Yes, okay. Okay, is it running? This one ya. The application is already running.
what the hell?
Nah, ya, oke. It just that's it ya.
Bentar, ulang, ulang, ulang.
Oke.
Gak kebaca.
Klik the start button.
Bentar. What the hell?
Ah, 5 detik terlalu cepat ya. It's really fast if you already apa only have 5 seconds. How many letters? How many lines that you already read?
Not even. I read like memorize it. I only like read it, not memorize. So
Okay.
like I don't know what I'm read.
Yeah. You can open again ya your apa algorithmic account this one and check all the boxes and submit ya. We'll continue. Klik algoritmika in there. Yes, okay, submit task. This one you can run again ya. For the number two, you can run again, run it again.
The hell?
Now you can click this one, type something ya.
Oh, ha ha. What? What?
Yeah, it's like a reverse word.
Okay, okay, I understand now. Oh,
Okay, you can close and then submit ya.
yeah.
Okay, and then continue again ya to the number 7, review task. Click number 7, Hayden. Yes, okay. Nah, you already learned about this group here, yeah. So we'll use new applications. We call it as an calculators, yeah. So to create a calculators, you can input first, yeah, Hayden, and it will be like this. These are the libraries that you need to use, yeah. You can apa? Make it small for the questions. Click the files and close the terminals, yeah. So your workspace will be. Nah, okay.
Finish.
Ya, oke.
Okay.
Import Kiwi.
Mama.
Where is it there? Uh, Okay, wait. Nah, yeah. Okay, you already finished ya. Now after that you will create your own your own class ya, which is about luas ya. So this one before that we'll create your first application. So yeah, we need to create this one, the widgets ya. Do you know how to do it? You still remember?
No.
Hayden, hello, can you hear me?
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah. Okay. Do you still remember how to create a new widgets and also new apps? Aduh.
No.
Okay, so the first step is you need to create your own your own class, yeah, and then after that you can create several methods. For example, like this. Now we can call this as a Luas app. Yeah, it's really wait.
Luas app.
This is this one. Yeah. Okay, so we can call it as a class Luas app, and in here,
Jangan.
yeah, you will use that build. Yeah, build
Iya.
to create your properties of your apps, yeah, and then after that input the widgets. Okay,
So the class we use Luas app too.
what was that?
The class we use, the class name we use class Luas app.
Yeah, yeah, the name is really up to you. Yeah, if you want to create other names,
Luas app
it's
lah.
really up to you. Yeah,
Okay.
because later on you will use that class name. Hmm? No, 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 no. It's not semicolon, yeah, but you will use this one quotations, single quotation mark, yeah. Yes, okay. Wait, I think it's too. Wait, wait, wait. Let me move it away so you can see it clearly. Nah, this one ya.
Sir,
Ya?
may I go to toilet?
Oh iya, oke, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, hello.
Hello. Yeah, you can continue again, yeah. Ah, the code is disappear. Wait, let me write it down to you. Nah, this one ya, Hayden ya.
Okay.
But are you apa? Are your school already not holiday anymore, Hayden? Or is still on your holiday? Holiday?
No, it's not the holiday anymore.
Oh, it's not holiday anymore. Huh? Already a lot of homework. Wait, I think it's already in the midterm week or final term.
No, it's a midterm.
Oh, it's still on midterm. Is it finished?
What, the test?
The mid yeah, the task, the midterm
No.
task.
Uh, no, Saturday started.
Ah, okay then. So your next holiday is on the next Friday. Yeah? It's on the Good Friday. I think it's on Friday. So
No, we
yeah.
test. Wait, no, we test until 2022 April.
Oh, okay then. No. The comma is outside of the double quotations, right?
Huh? No, it's inside.
No? Yeah. There's a comma, but see, we don't have to use this one. It's a single quotations, not double quotations. It's a single quotations.
So
You
what?
type it twice.
So this is twice.
Yeah, but single quotations. You just use this one. Delete it ya. Nah,
Done.
okay. And then the next one is I think it's really long code yeah. I think this one the last one yeah. So I will send the Google Docs later on the after this. Nah, you need to input yeah. You need to input which geometry shapes. that you will input to calculate the areas. Yeah. So you can use add widget as a new labels and also text
This.
input. Yeah.
So I type this.
No, 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 no. In here. Yeah. On the same. Yes, it's aligned with the previous one.
This. Huh?
No, I think you can type it. This one, the last one. Yeah. Again, this one is a single quotations. Yeah. It's not double quotations.
Okay.
There's no double quotations. Yeah. Uh-uh. Just use single quotation instead. And this
I
one is comma, not plus. Eh, equal. Sorry, sorry, equal ya, not plus, not comma. Iya, oke.
done.
Oke, this one the last one ya. Nah, Uh, Here it is, yeah, for the last add widgets. You still write in the build method, yeah? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay, so sorry ya. Um, Wait,
Udah siap, sir.
hitung, so calculate button, result label. Okay. Okay, so this is the rest of the code ya. I will send it through chat zooms. Wait a minute. This one. We can call it as a calculate. Uh, eh, Waduh, calculator here. Okay, so you can call klik link on the chat zoom ya Hayden ya. This one, wait, let me send it. Nah, can open this one. Yes, just copy it and paste on your code ya.
Semuanya, sir.
From there, Okay, copy and paste on the Visual Studio Code, yeah. Add a new line, yes. Remove the white space. Okay, just paste it. Yes. Okay, scroll up, Hayden. Scroll up. Yeah. Okay, try to run it, yeah. Run with debugging. Oh no. Line 7, the B is uppercase, yeah. B is uppercase.
What B?
B. Oh no. That's already lowercase, yeah, but not button. Button. Yes, run with debugging again. Okay. So you can input, yeah. You can input which one the geometry shapes that you will calculate, ya. Mhm. Nah, masukkan jari-jari. Nah, so the luas lingkaran will be 600, ya. Okay, so do you have any questions? Maybe you can close these applications, yeah, and then review the whole code. And then I will send you how to create the mobile app, yeah. So if you want to create the mobile apps, it will be like this. Wait, where is it there? This one. Okay, you don't have any question about the code, yeah?
No.
If you don't have any question, so you can open the question again. Make it bigger, and then check all the boxes. Yes. Yes. Only click the submit. I'll go back again to number 7, yeah. Hey, yeah, okay. And then right click in main app, yeah. Right click in there. Mm-hmm. Uh, Refill in File Explorer, yeah, that's right. And then you can download, yeah, download the file on the chat zooms. Or wait a minute. I will send the chat I will send the link instead of the files. Google Colab. Nah, this one you can click again the link, ya. Open the file explorer. Yes. Copy the main app. Yeah. Yes. Control C. Click this one and then Control C. Yeah. Just right click in main app. Yes.
Done.
Right click, copy. Have you copied it?
Yeah. Yes.
Paste in desktop ya. Open desktop and paste in there. And then you can klik ini ya directory. Now wait a minute. Okay, upload file and then go to the desktop. Yes, main app ya. Okay, open. Ya, klik OK. Yes, and then how to play it? Yeah, so it's apa? It's a Google Colab. You need to run it line by line. Yeah, you can click play button in there and run anyway. Okay, scroll down again. Nah, okay, click this one, the second line. No, 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 too many, too many, too many, too many. Or you can just run. Yeah, you can run time lah, run all aja. Click run time in here. Uh-uh. And then click run all. Yeah, scroll down. Okay, scroll down again. Again, 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 again.
Again. Mana, sir?
Nah,
Sir.
type Y ya, type Y in there. Y, in here. Y,
Ye.
ini, in here. Oh, no, 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 you don't have to scroll up again. Why you scroll up again?
Ye.
Yeah, Y.
Like this.
Enter. Y again. Nah, so it takes too long, yeah. It takes time. You need to wait for this one, and we will see. We will review this application on the next weekend. On the next lesson, yeah. Do you have any questions, Hayden?
So this is downloading.
Yeah. It will continue by itself, yeah, and we'll review, and there will be a new application yeah, in here. Later
So
on,
can
you can
I
download it.
so can I shut down my computer
No, no, you cannot.
until it's done and then I can.
Yeah.
Alamak, ya udah.
Okay. Do you have any question? Other questions?
No. How can
No
we
question, yeah.
no
So if you see .apk in there, yeah, you just go to in here, for example, yeah, go in here and click the three dots, yeah, and download. No, 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 not the folder, the builder. Uh,
this download.
yes, and then just download. Okay. Later on, the name is apk. Yeah, you can see in here in the directories. Okay.
So
Now
if it
accept why. Yeah, it will ask you several question about this one, and just type Y. Yeah.
Okay.
Have any other questions?
So this if this already APK, so we can
No,
start.
no. The name is APK, literally APK. Yeah.
Oh,
If you don't
okay.
see the APK, then yeah, somehow it will fail. Yeah, and you need to run it again. Okay.
Okay.
But yeah, if this one fail, we can run it again later on. Yeah.
So I cannot sleep?
No. Have any other questions?
No.
No? Okay, so that's all, yeah. Uh, we'll continue our lessons and we'll install this application to your mobile phone. Yeah. So that's all for today and bye bye Hayden. Good night, yeah.
Bye.